Welcome to second part of multiple column charts video. In previous video, we have seen the steps to create this multiple column charts inside Excel. Now, after looking at this chart, many people ask the question, what is the total sales for the month with all the movies from different categories? To answer that question, one has to then manually add all the individual category movie sales. So our next chart, which is called as container chart, will display individual columns for sales from different category and total sales made during that month. So here on screen, you can see that the bigger dashed column represents the total sales made during a given month. And inside that column, we have small columns representing sales made by movies from individual categories. So let us get started and see how we can create this chart inside Excel. Now let us select this entire data set including the total row for that particular month. Since we want to present total for a month, we are selecting this only a total row and not the columns for the movie category total sales. So let us select that data, go to insert, then click on this columnar chart. Let me move this chart at the bottom, Ctrl X, let us press Ctrl V so that chart moves over here. Now let me increase width and height of this column or this chart, and now we have this chart. Now since we have already done a lot of formatting in our previous chart, I will be copying that over here. So let us select this entire chart, press Ctrl C, then select this chart and press Alt E S, and this window will open up. Now we will be selecting only formats and let us click OK. So now this chart has got automatically all the formatting from our previous chart. So we will save a little bit of time over here. So here you can see chart title has come, even the coloring has been done properly, except for the total columns. So we'll be making that changes now. But before that, we will have to make a little more changes over here. So let us go to chart design, go to chart type. Under combo chart, we'll be making comedy as a clustered column. Thriller will be also a clustered column. Only total will be on the secondary axis with clustered column only. So this way you have made the changes. So all of the other columns are clustered column and on primary axis. So let us click OK. Now let me add our primary axis, which is vertical. So this looks over here. Now we have to make sure that the maximum and the minimum is same across primary vertical axis and even for the secondary axis. So here you can see secondary is having 40 lakhs and this is having 12 lakhs. So we'll have to make changes manually. So let us select primary axis first of all. Let us click Ctrl 1. Now once this window is opened, so let us change this maximum to 40 lakhs. Let us press enter and display units will be in 1000. So I have changed that. Similarly, I will have to do it for vertical axis. Even though by default it is showing 40 lakhs, but we'll be changing it manually. So this will be also 40 lakhs and the display units will be in 1000. So once both of them have changed, so let us select them and delete it now. This is to make sure that our both the primary and vertical axis are having the same numbers. So let me select vertical axis for secondary also, and we have made the changes. So now we'll be selecting our total column. Let us go to fill options and there will be no fill, but there will be a solid line. This can be this orange color. Change the width, change the dash type to this. And now let us go to columns and here gap width will be 10%. So this way you can see that we are able to create our container charts where even the total values are also getting displayed and individual category sales also is getting displayed. So that is it from my side guys. See you guys in next video.